Welcome to part 3 of the tutorial. In this part, we bring our player to life by adding movement controls. You will learn how to move in all directions and even make the player face the mouse. Let's make things interactive. Now in this player sprite, I'll go to the code bar. Then I'll go to events. I'll pick when green flag clicked. Go to control. I'll pick forever. Still in control, I'll pick if then. Then I'll go to sensing and pick key space pressed. Now I'm going to change this to right arrow because our sprite moves in 4 directions: up, down, left, right. And then the left and right is being controlled by the x-axis, as you can see here, and the up and down by the y-axis. So to make our sprites move left and right, we're going to pick change x by 10 for the right arrow. Now if I should press this, I should see my sprite move to the right. Can you see? But it's not moving to the left. Now, instead of picking this if and then this key space press and then this change x by 10, I just duplicate. Then I'll wrap it under here. All I need to do now is say left arrow and then change x by 10. Minus 10 rather. Then I'll stop this, start again. Then you can see my sprite is moving left. What? Go. Oh. Duplicated the entire thing from that arrows inside. And take this away. And I can say I have left and right. And the next one we need to do is the up and down. So I'll duplicate this, not this. Up on this, no. So I guess it's one more time. Now turn this to up. Now remove this and change Y band. And change Y band. Now turn this to down. So up is going to be a positive, Y down is going to be a negative. Then I'll click on the grab triangle. Now you can see my sprite is moving in all 4 directions. And then to make the sprite shoot, the last thing I will do is to pick point towards mouse pointer from motion. And I'll pick on here. You know, consider that it's pointing toward my mouse pointer. And that is it. Now our player can move and turn to him. Nice. Next job, if our player is moving around and following the mouse like a pro. Nice job, our player is moving around and following the mouse like a pro. Up next in part 4, we'll add bullets and shooting mechanics too. Let's get ready to fight.